The producers and distributors of Tech AV audiovisual training aids welcome you to this presentation in the Gas Safety series. This is the Gas Hazard Awareness presentation in which you will learn how to identify and understand the potential hazards associated with commonly encountered industrial gases. Those involved in working with or amongst gases must be aware of the potential hazards that exist with the various gas types in order to prevent accidents. Gases are classified as hazardous substances, and strict regulations exist regarding the identification of the type of hazard that a particular gas type possesses. All gas-carrying containers must, by law, carry a label that clearly displays relevant safety data and the primary hazard warning symbol or symbols. We shall begin by learning to identify the 5 major hazard classification symbols. The first symbol is a red diamond with an icon of a flame within it. This symbol denotes that the contents of the vessel are flammable and therefore present a fire hazard. Typical flammable gases include acetylene, ammonia, carbon monoxide, ethylene, nitric oxide, and LPG, a mixture of propane and butane. The next symbol is a yellow diamond displaying this icon. This symbol denotes that the content of the vessel is an oxidizing gas. An oxidant does not burn, but it does support combustion. Typical gases in this group include air, oxygen, chlorine, and fluorine. The third symbol is a green diamond bearing an icon of a cylinder, or sometimes the words non-flammable. This denotes gas types regarded as being non-flammable and non-toxic. These gases are often referred to as neutral or inert, as they do not support life or combustion. The most common gases in this group are argon, helium, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. The fourth symbol is a black and white diamond bearing these icons. This denotes a corrosive substance. Gases in the corrosive category include ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, chlorine, fluorine, and sulfur dioxide. The fifth hazard symbol, namely a white diamond bearing a skull and crossbones, denotes a toxic gas, or one that is poisonous. Gases in the toxic category include ammonia, chlorine, carbon monoxide, fluorine, hydrogen chloride, and sulfur dioxide. It must be noted that some gases may possess more than one of the hazards mentioned. For example, ammonia is primarily toxic, but it is also corrosive and flammable.